Hi and welcome to the channel. Tommy made a request to analyze CME Group, so let's take a look. First we'll find out the dividend score, and after that we'll check the valuation with the help of fast graphs. CME Group has a market cap of $63 billion. They are in the S&P 500 and the current stock price while recording this video is $178.28, and they operate in the capital markets industry. If we look at the graph in front of us, we have 10 years of history, and here we can see that CME has actually outperformed the S&P 500 with quite the margin, and this is with dividends reinvested. Now some financial data. The sales growth has been 5.5%. That is a very good number, so that's a check mark. The earnings per share 10% blank, so also a green check mark. The analyst expects a bit weaker earnings ahead, 7.66. Our threshold is 8%, so that's actually an X. The return on capital is also right under the threshold of 12%, so that's also an X. And the debt is unfortunately quite high compared to the free cash flow this company is generating. Now some yield data. An acceptable dividend yield at 2.25%. They did not buy back any shares last year. And the payout ratio is at about average 50% of their earnings. And the 5-year dividend growth rate is at 8.61%. And they have been growing this quarterly dividend for 9 years. There are some extra dividends in the month of December when you look at their dividend history, but that is not on their ordinary dividend. That makes up of a score at 5 out of 10 points. Let's check the valuation. Here we have CME Group in fast graphs. The orange line is the earnings per share and the white line is the dividend. For being a financial company, they actually fared quite well during the last financial crisis, 2008-2009. They dropped about 18% of their earnings, but after that the earnings has gone steadily up with only some minor hiccups. And here we can see that they actually are paying out some extra dividends. And if we plot the normal PE, which is quite high over this period at 26.5, and if we also plot the current stock price, we can see that right now it's trading under their normal valuation. And if we project out to late 2024, analysts would expect an annual rate of return of 17%. Let's check if the analysts are usually correct when analyzing CME Group. We have quite a lot of analysts covering this company, about 20, and we can see that they don't have any trouble estimating CME Group with 8% beats and 83% hits and only 8% miss. So the estimations seems to be quite predictable. Please hit the like button and also watch one of my latest videos where I reviewed a subscriber's portfolio. See you soon.